Hello guys. This is God's Power. So today I'm going to show you step by step how you can make money watching video for completely free. So I want you to watch this video to the end so that I will show you step by step how it works. I know if you see the website, don't just click out because you will not know anything and you can't learn everything in this way. So I want you to watch this video to the end so that I will show you step by step how it works, watching video and receiving a commission for completely free. So let us get started. But before we get started, if you don't know me, my name is God's Power and I make video on my YouTube channel here, a way on how you can make money online. Any way that I've used and I found out that this way work for me, I come to share it with you guys on my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you this free website that will allow you to make money for completely free. So not to take your time, let us just get started. But before we get started, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, leave your comment in the comment section below if you have any question. So let us head over to this website. So as you can see, this is the website. It's called Hideout TV. Hideout TV is a free website that allows you to watch video and you get a commission for watching video. So per every video you watch, they pay you 0.7 points per a video, which means you are going to make a lot of money at the end of the day if you watch this video to the end, because I will show you a hack, a way on how you can multiply your earning with this method. So don't worry, let us just get started. So to sign up on Hideout TV is very simple. Click on the sign up button. So when you click on the sign up button, it will bring you to this page here. You can sign up with your Facebook or sign up with your Gmail account. It depends on how you want to sign up, but I recommend you to sign up with your email account and you enter your password. Make sure you remember your email and password and accept that I am more than 13 years old, and you accept the terms and conditions. You can accept if you want to receive a marketing email from Hideout TV. If you want, you can uncheck this so that they will be sending you email and notification about your marketing strategy and how you can multiply your earning from them. But if you don't want it, you can leave it optional. And at the bottom you click on I am not a robot. You verify that you are not a robot, and after that you come down, you click on the button sign me up. So once they sign you up, you will now start making money. Don't just click off from here. I want you to still keep on watching because I will show you a trick, a way on how you can multiply your earning with this method, like I say from the beginning. So if you see now, so once you have signed up, they send you an email. You receive a verification email telling you to verify your Hideout TV account. So once you click on the link, it will your account will be verified. So once your account has been verified, you have to come back to Hideout TV and click on log in. So once you click on log in, it will now bring you to this login tab area where you are going to enter your password and your email. So right now I'm going to log in my own account. So I click on log in, it will log me into my account. So we are just going to be patient for my account to be properly open. As you can see, this is my account. So I just need to click on Hideout TV. And when I click on Hideout TV, it will take me to the Hideout TV dashboard where I will find a bunch of video that I can select and start watching. So as you can see, you can select any random video here, start watching them, and they will pay you 0.7 point per a video, and 1 point is 1 cent. When you watch video, for every point you get from this website, they pay you 1 point is 1 cent. So you have to understand this. And other way that you can see your earning. So if let me say you have watch a lot of video and you want to see how much you have earned, click on this icon, this three icon here. So once you click on these three icon here, you will see the amount of points you have. As you can see, I have 1184 points I have currently on my account because I'll be watching videos. So if you want to know how to multiply your earning, like I said again from the beginning, you need to click the button, just subscribe and like the video, leave your comment in the comment section below, and I want you to still keep on watching because at the end of this video I will show you step by step how you can multiply your earning. So don't worry about how to multiply your earning from Hideout TV. So click on these three icon here and you come down. Let me say you want to redeem your earning, just click on redeem gift card. Once you click on redeem gift card, it will take you to the session where you will be able to redeem your reward with gift card, and you can select from a bunch of gift card that they have, or maybe let's say for example they give you a particular code and you want to redeem your points. So let me say you do some participation on Hideout TV and they send you a code, so you want to redeem the code. You click on that redeem gift card and you will come here, enter the code, and you receive your you enter the code here, click on enter, and the balance will increase, so they will add the balance into your account. So this part, let me say you want to, as you can see, we just landed here. So what is going to happen here is that we click on the menu tab here, click on this menu tab, and once you click on the menu tab, click on task. And with this method, in this way, you will make more points. Like this is the way you can earn more money with Hideout TV. It's very simple. You just click on complete task. You will see a lot of tasks you can complete from this session. This session, you can answer question. I'm just showing you, this video is all about watching video, but I'm just showing you extra way that you can make money with this method. So you can complete tasks like taking survey, you can install application, you can shop online, you can use application, you can do sign up, and you get more points with this website, which is called Hideout TV. When you click on complete task at the bottom of the session, where you can choose what type of category of things you want to do here. So that is it. You already see everything. You see you can do free survey, you can do mobile apps, which is installing application, you can do opinion. Your opinion mean you can take survey and you get paid at the end of the day, while the shopping area means that you will get cash back anytime you shop. If you click on it, you see multiple websites that you can use to shop online, and the free trials is where you can complete you complete a task. Like they will just tell you go and sign up in a particular website, enter your email and password, and you will have access to it. So that is how that session works. Why the session that is called sign up? This is a sign up offers where you can go, you sign up for a particular program and they pay you points. So the point will be the point will be cashed into your Hideout TV account. So at the end, you will decide where you want to send your points into to redeem it. So I will show you now how you can redeem your point. So all you just need to do is to watch me how I do. So we are going to go to one website that we are going to connect to Hideout TV. So this website is called Enable. Enable is just a website that you can go and answer questions and get paid. And it's a website that allows you to watch video till you get paid too. So they work together with Hideout TV. But I'm going to show you how you can connect your Hideout TV. You already know that you already created your Hideout TV account, Hideout TV account. You already have your account now. To sign up on Enable is very simple. You can see the homepage of Enable. You can see that you can refer people, and you can see that review that people are reviewing about Enable. And yeah, so all you just need to do is to come and start using Enable, and you can see through Enable you can receive your money by Amazon, PayPal, Domino's in different way. You can use it. You can use your point to do anything that you want to do once you have a particular point that you want to use to redeem your cash. So the minimum amount you can cash out is $1. So don't worry, don't think that you are going to spend a lot of your time, maybe $100, $20. Just $1 you can cash out your money. So to sign up, just click on sign up, and you have to enter your phone number and your email. And after that, that is all you just need to do. Once you have entered your phone number, your email, and you enter your password, they'll send you a verification email for you to verify your account. And after that, once you are through with everything, entering your email, username, password, and phone number, you have verified your account, then you can come back to this login instead. So once you click on login instead, to take you to this session where you have to enter your username and password. So you click on login. So here, so as you can see, they send me a code. So right now I'm going to enter the code here. The code is 545999. Oh, I made a mistake here. I didn't enter one number. Is 545,999. Okay, and approve device. So once I click on approve device, it will enable me on my account. As you can see, currently I have 15 points on my account, which means I don't have the minimum amount of cashing out, which means I need to have at least 100 points. I need to have 100 points to be able to cash out my $1. So that is it. As you can see, this 15 points I have is 15 cents. Every 1 cent, 1 cent is $1. 1 cent is $1. 1 cent is $1. So to connect your Enable account with your Hideout TV account, you need to go to this session, go to this session here in. So once you go to in, you will see a section that say videos. You click on this section that say videos. So once you click on this section that say videos, here you will find Hideout TV. You see that every video you watch on Hideout TV, they are going to pay you 0.7 points. As you can see, 0/7 points, like I told you, per video. But they are telling you is 3 ads you are going to watch here and you will receive 7 points. But no, it's one video that you will watch and they will pay you 7 points. So what you are going to do here now is to click on one video here, click on any video here, any random video. It doesn't matter how you can do it, just click on it. So once you click on the video, it will pop up this and you click on you have accept terms and condition, and now it will take you directly to Hideout TV. As you can see now, it just landed us on Hideout TV. Through that video, we just click from enable. As you can see, instantly, because we have already created our account on enable, automatically our account is now connected to Hideout TV and enable. So the both of them are connected. Now we can transfer our money to our enable account so that we can send the money to our paper account, because Hideout TV don't have a cash out method. So they connect to other platforms which like enable, InstaGC, Price Fiesta and other companies, and that is how you get your points. So I will show you how you can redeem your points now that your account have been connected by just clicking that video. So I'm going to show you now how you can cash out your point. So we need to go back to Hideout TV account. So now we are on Hideout TV. We need to go to the section that says transfer point. Click on transfer point, as you can see on the screen here. Click on transfer point. So when you click on transfer point, it will bring you to this page here. So it will bring you to this tab. As you can see, currently I have 1,184 points. So which is almost $1 plus. So what I'm going to do here now is to transfer these points to my enable account. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click on start redeem process. So once I click on that, here it will tell you to select which of the platform you want to send your money to. You can choose to send it to Thankbox or Enable, which is the website we want to send it to, and you click on Price Rebel or GrabPoint or InstaGC. So select all those websites I'm showing you. I have my account in all of them, and I will list them in the description below so that you can have all the whole account, so that you have multiple options. You have multiple options of redeeming your money from your Hideout TV account. So we click on Enable, and it will tell us that we are going to have 91 points on our Enable account, which means Enable point is more higher than Hideout TV. That is, it's like a currency. There's a lower currency and there's a higher currency, which means Enable currency is more higher than the currency of Hideout TV. So which is the point that they are redeeming. So what we are going to, once you click on redeem, the money will be transferred immediately into your enable account. So what we are going to do, I'm going to click on redeem balance. So as you can see, we tell you if you accept the terms and conditions, are you sure you want to really redeem this money? You can click on you can see what is saying here, any redeemed. So which means the money will be sent in a few minutes. You will receive the money on your enable account, which means sometimes it's instantly, sometimes it takes hours to appear on your enable account. So we are going to click on continue. So as you can see, our point just become 5 points on our Hideout TV account. So let us go back to enable, and we are going to refresh our Enable account. So click on the logo of Enable. As you can see, we have 15 points. So currently right now we have 106 points because we have transferred the money that we have on our Hideout TV. So when I click on the point here, it will take me to the point history. So to go to the point history, you need to come to this section here. To go to the point history, click it here. Normally you click on it, it will take you to, normally when you click on, go to your profile, then you go to activities, click on activities, and under activities you will see the withdrawal we just sent just now. You see the Hideout TV, the withdrawal that we just sent. You can see Hideout TV, and you see a Hideout TV withdrawal, and you can see 91 points we withdraw from Hideout TV account. And as you can see, today is 21. Today is 21 April 2021. So that is it. That is it. And yeah, that is it. And that is how you can transfer your points to your Hideout TV, from your Hideout TV to Enable account. So you already know how everything works now, how you can transfer your money from that place, and you already know how you can watch video on Hideout TV account and you receive your money. So if you say, let's say for example, you want to cash out your money into your PayPal account, it's very simple too. You can do that. So let me show you now. Before we go into that, let me show you here. You see that here you can click on any video. So click on this video and you can watch the video and you start making money. So just wait. At the end of this video, I will show you how I make money unlimitedly, because people don't know how they can watch video and make more money. So I will show you the strategy. Just wait. Let me show you on my let's click on redeem on Enable account. Click on redeem. Here you will find the amount you have sent from your account. As you can see here, click on PayPal. Those are the payment method they have. So you can use PayPal. I recommend you to use PayPal. You can set it automatically. So once you have 125 points, Enable will send the money to you immediately. So you don't need to come and click on redeem now, and Enable will send it automatically to your account. So as you can see, you don't have enough balance. That is why. So but if we go back to redeem, if we go back to redeem, let us go back to reward. We'll come to our profile, click on rewards. So when you come to rewards, you will see that we have received $1 PayPal into our PayPal account, $1. So I'm just showing you so that you know that this is a proof that I've received money with this method. It's not a lot of money, but you make money with this method just by doing free things. So I hope that this video really helped those of you who is trying to make money by just watching videos. And if you come back to my my Hideout TV account, I will show you now how you can multiply your earning. So how I multiply my earning is that I buy a phone. I buy a phone of $50. It's kind of an investment. Buy a phone of $50, and you install a Hideout TV. They have application. Hideout TV, they have application. Install the application and just play one of their video. Leave the video all the day to play, and you will see that you start making unlimited money. Plug the phone on charger and play one of the video, and always check the phone every 4 hours, because they will ask you, are you still there, just to continue to make sure that the video that you play keep on playing, just to make sure that the person is watching the video is there. So that is why they will pause the video after 4 hours. So make sure you check the video after 4 hours every day. So 4 hours every day, check it and play it back again, and you will see that you'll be making unlimited money with this method. So that is all I have for you guys today. I will say thank you very much if you watch it to the end. And my name is God's Power. I make video a way on how you can make money online. So I hope that this will help you. If it helped you, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comment section below if you have any question. And as soon as I see your message, I will reply you as soon as possible. I will say thank you very much. Don't forget to check out my website, www.yougodspower.com, and I see you soon a way on how you can make money online. Peace.